All right, so we've waited our 6 or 7 minutes. The glue's all set up. We've got the 100mm adapter on our K-beam. And we are gonna put the K-beam across the panel like this to leave room so I can knock down this crown here and get into these buckles up here. All right, so it's just now starting to load up. I'm not gonna let it go because gravity's working against me, but even at the very beginning stages, I can already see the low starting to come up. These edges are moving right in. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the lift gate up again so I can look across the panel and work these lows. All right, so we've got the lift gate up. We're gonna start adding some more, just a little bit more tension to give this metal somewhere to go so I can work these highs down. Again, just like before, we don't want to overload it with tension and shock the tab off of the car. Down there's looking pretty good. A little bit more load. Let's start working this buckle. And you can see the beam is already starting to loosen up from releasing that pressure. We just need to readjust a little bit. So as I'm trying to tighten here, it's actually not adding power, but I need to readjust because it's starting to tilt in. So with that readjustment, now we're getting great movement at the top to pull the body line this way. So I'm just releasing a little bit of the pressure to see where the metal wants to go. It's actually holding pretty still. Still got a low sitting fairly hard on the left side of the tab here. The right side is up pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and release everything, clean it off to reassess where I'm at. So if you've got a tab that's really stuck, if you come out to the edge and load it up a little bit, it sort of just wants to shear off.